Hello everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see another technique of inventory control called ABC analysis. So what is ABC analysis? This is only a theory portion we are going to see, not with the problem. For your exams they will ask only a theory, okay? And so what is ABC analysis? So it is about management by exception of inventory control. So in this we can say it is about always better control, always better control, ABC technique of inventory control. So here what is about this means the materials are classified and controlled according to the value of materials involved. So under this system the material stocked may be classified into number of categories according to their importance, that is their value and frequency of uses during the period. Okay, it is called proportional parts value analysis. So here we can say that the value items are paid more attention and than the low value items. Okay, so here the materials are classified under A, B and C designation on the basis of their value and importance. So what is about the A category? Here it consists of only a few items of higher values, and category B includes more items of medium values, and C category includes all other materials are given in this category. So here we can say that general classification of the items under ABC categories with the one table. Okay, so here this table consists of the three columns: category, percentage of total items and percentage of total material cost. See here A, that is materials A, that goes to the percentage of total item is only 5 to 10% only, but the total cost of the material goes to 70 to 80%. And category B materials, the percentage of total items, the number of items are the quantity of the item is 10 to 20% only, but the value of material goes to 10 to 20%. And category C materials, the percentage of total, that is total items or quantities, goes to 70 to 80%, huge values, but the percentage of total material is 5 to 10% only. Say for example, in a production unit, the necessary of certain values are chemicals which is having the high values, maybe in lakhs or in number of thousands. They may have a little quantity, that is 5% or 5 grams or 5 ml or 10 ml or 50 ml or 2 liters, 1 liter, like that. So this will have the higher values, but at the same time see the category of material C, which is required in huge, the materials are required in a huge, but it is value of the material is very less. Say for example, the coal which has been used in a huge, but comparing to the other materials in an industry, the coal material cost is very less. Okay, and then from this we can clearly say that item A is a minimum quantity and the maximum value out of total quantity and the total materials, and they have to be controlled to the fullest possible extent by all the methods of inventory control, from the items of purchase till they are consumed into production. Since it may if it goes deterioration or loss by theft or anything, then the loss is very high. Okay, and then the B and C items of major portion of total quantity of raw materials, but having the minimum capital investment, so they are to be managed through less straightened controls. Okay, then we have to see what are the advantages and disadvantages of this ABC analysis. the closer and stricter control of those items which represent a major portion of total stock value is to be maintained, as I already said. And then investment in inventory can be regulated and funds can be utilized in the best possible manner. And A class items are ordered as and when the need arises, so that the working capital can be utilized in a best possible way. And then we can say that with a higher control over the inventories, then the savings in material cost will be realized. And then this ABC analysis helps in maintaining enough safety stock for category C items. And then the scientific and selective control helps in the maintenance of high stock turnover ratio. The next we are going to see is the limitation of ABC analysis. That is, in a big forms, using numerous materials and dividing them into ABC categories may be cumbersome, and it is about a difficult process. And then the next limitation is division of materials into ABC category may become a subjective process, since it is a difficulty to lay comprehensive and precise category for such a division. And then very little attention to B and C categories of materials may affect their availability at times. So, if it is not available in a particular time, then it will lead to this layoff, that is stopping the production. So, it is about a bigger limitation of ABC analysis. But when the production manager or purchasing manager or inventory control manager having a proper control over this technique, then it is a very good inventory system. So, I think I have done. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.